Hey there, it's Dory with Next Stage Drumming. Today we're going to talk about how you can restore your rhythm. Now I know it's been a very rough season for many. We're still in the middle of a pandemic and things have been pretty strange. They've also been very, very stressful for many people. And I'm seeing a lot more people complaining of anxiety and feeling that they're very, very either scattered or overwhelmed. Now, drumming, especially drum therapy, helps with all of that and more. So if you're feeling like things are spiraling out of control and you're having a lot of anxious thoughts, where things go round and round in your head, I'm going to give you a few tips. And then we're going to tap out some beats. So if you have something to drum on, now's the time to grab it. You can go ahead and stop the video. I'll wait. Or you can just use your legs or a tabletop, whatever you have. Alrighty, so the first thing you need to do is take a few breaths, roll your shoulders, stretch out a little bit. There you go. Realize that worrying never changes anything. Never has and never will. So you need to start focusing on what you can do with what you have right now. But before you do that, you need to release. So I'm just going to do a few basic beats, warm up my drum a little bit. Here we go. This is a djembe, by the way, one of the many that I have. Has a really good tone. So I'll just start with a couple of maybe 1, 2, 3 to start out with. There you go. Just a little brief intro. I'm still working with people virtually and also in person. So if you have any questions on how to use drumming to help you beat stress, literally, and anxiety and help you focus better, give me a shout. Dory at nextstagedrumming.com. Keep the faith, my friends, and keep on rocking.